One fundamental aspect of effective communication in English is volume. Some individuals speak very softly or quietly, which can hinder clear communication. To help you improve, here are 3 tips to ensure your voice is at an appropriate volume. First, engage your diaphragm to give your voice more energy and strength. When you inhale, focus on directing your breath toward the core of your body, where your diaphragm is located. Use this muscle to push air out through your windpipe, which will naturally amplify your voice. Second, practice projecting your voice. Picture yourself on a theater stage, needing to ensure that even the person in the very last row can hear every word you say. This is what it means to project your voice. It's not about shouting or yelling, but rather about sending your words clearly across the room so everyone can hear you effortlessly. Third, focus on enunciating or pronouncing your words clearly. To do this, you'll need to open your mouth wider than you might in your native language. English often requires more mouth movement and different tongue positions to produce its sounds. Make sure to open your jaw sufficiently and articulate each sound in every word distinctly. By combining these 3 techniques, using your diaphragm, projecting your voice, and enunciating clearly by opening your mouth, you'll become a much clearer and more effective communicator in English.